ONCO stock analysis and ONCO stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this very brief, short 1-minute video till the end. Find out. Onconetix is kind of difficult, man, to gauge where we are. Not much, but it's all over the place. For me, it's just a bearish range. I'm trying to be kind of not nice here. You know, we having done 40,000 videos. I've at least seen what's making me money and what's not. And I sure think now, when I see an environment like this, you bet I'm going to be staying away. I mean, I'm not sure if I have my rules set up here. Oh yeah, I do. It's a bearish market. And that bearish idea, I mean, I still stand by it with all 10 toes. Standing on business. I have previous receipts with ONCO as well in the Discord. So really like no sweat about ONCO coverage. No lack of it. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10k per month, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. That's all I have to say. But Mr. Sicko, when is it going to be bullish? If I see breaks above 8 cents, chill, you know, chill. Please stop. I'm going to keep you updated. See you in the next one.